सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page number 10, verse number 11. मुक्ताभिमानी मुक्तो हि बद्धो बद्धापि मान्यपि बद्धाभिमान्य किं वदन्तीह सत्येयम् या मतिः सा गतिर्भवेत्. अष्टावक्र teaching to Janaka Maharaja about the Brahma Vidya, the self-knowledge. Ashtavakra says, Hey Janaka, a person, whatever he thinks, that he becomes. Yatha bhavati tathan. Whatever way he thinks, so he becomes. So he says here, Muktabhimani Muktahan. In the introduction, I said, the entire Vedic teaching, final we have to arrive at the thought pattern we have to change. Pujya Swamiji says it is a cognitive change. Bhavana you have to change. Your thinking about yourself, your estimation, how you look at yourself, that is very important. If you think you are a samsari, you are a jivaha, you are a baddhaha, I am miserable, I am bound, I am an ordinary human being. If you think that alone you will be. If you think I am muktaha, I am a liberated, ever liberated Atman I am. I don't have any birth and death. I am free from all doshas. If I think like that, I am that alone. I am free from all problems. So he says, Abhimani Muktaha, the one who is free from. Muktaha means free from. Free from what? Abhimani. Abhimana, body mind identification. Abhimana. Mukta Abhimani Muktaha. The one who is free from that Abhimana, he is a liberated person. Who is free from Abhimana. Here Abhimana means identification. Identification, that is called Abhimana. Muktaha, he is the only liberated person. Baddhaha, Baddhabhimani bhavati. Baddha Abhimani api, Baddha Abhimani. I am bound, I have birth, I have death. This Abhimana. Thinking that all the time. He is bound only. So very nice sloka. We have to know how to think. Change your thinking pattern. I am suffering. I am miserable. I am pity. I am in a pitiable condition. I have lot of problems. People are giving lot of problems. Like that, looking at myself very meagerly. Very meager thinking. Without paying any amount, you just have this thinking. Very natural. meager thinking. That is called baddhaha bhavati. Iha, in this world, second line. Iyam satya eva kim vadanti, whatever they say in the world, this is the proverb, like idiom. People say, if you, what you think, so you become. When we were young, the parents, grandparents used to say like that, don't think like that, you will become like that only. Don't think like that, they used to say. That's even Amangala Varta, they never allowed to utter. We should not scold the person Shani, and Shani Aidva. So, scolding, always using, abusing words, bad words, they never allow in the house. Even by mistake also. Very, very careful they are. Never talk any Amangala Vartayana. Never utter. Why they were so keen in that? Because they say one story also, small story, one line story. If you say any Amangalam Varta, Devatas will say Tadhastu, Tadhastu. I used to listen to all these things. This is called Vruddha Vyavahara. If you say any wrong word, I will fail in my exam. Suppose you say, Devatas say Tadhastu. That's why don't say like that. Because Devata's job is nothing but Tadhastu, Tadhastu. They want to bless all the time. If you utter good words, that Tadhastu will work on that good words. If you utter bad words, Amangala Vartai, I am going to get this disease, I am going to get this disease, suppose, Tadhastu, they say. This story they used to say like that, whether it is true or not, see, there is a lot of psychology here behind this. Don't ask, don't question whether it's right or wrong, why they say like this and all. We never probe into that. It is a big psychology here. And as you think, so you become. So what you think, they will become your words, then thoughts, words and actions and your character, your destiny, they say. So we take it very loosely and we talk loosely also. Very loosely we talk, very loosely we think also. That's what he says. Yam, iha, in this world, this type of vruddha vyavahara, if you think you are liberated, you will become liberated. If you think you are bound, you will be bound. So therefore, iha, in this world, satya, this is true. Kim vadanti, whatever they are telling from generations, satya iyam, this statement is true. What is that? Yamatihi sa gatihi bhavet. Tamil enna palamoni irukadukku? Tamil la solluva? What do you say Tamil? ஞாபகப்படுத்திக்கோங்க. ஓகே, இதே தமிழ்ல இருக்கும். யாமதிஹி சா கதிஹினாரு. What you think, so you become. English. Yamatihi sa gatihi is in Sanskrit. I don't want to say in Tamil, you have to find out. It is there. Okay. Bhavetana. Yamatihi. Differently people present. It is there. In every language it is there. Therefore, yamatihi sagatihi bhavet. My prarabdham is like this, my prarabdham is very bad. Now Ketu is sitting in the 9th planet, 8th planet. Go on telling, Erinati Seni is going to come. Like that, people talk about all the stars, Tidhi, Nakshatram and all, and looking at their Jatakam very badly. Very badly, and the Kili Josyam, Nadi Josyam, Ella Josyam Pati. This is called a prarabdha. We are counting our prarabdha. So within this itself, our time, we spend a lot of time, our energy full will drain out. So Janaka Maharaja says, Ashtavakra says to Janaka Maharaja, therefore you have to think in a high esteem. I am going to be liberated. I am studying Shastra. First starting la apdi sollano. I am going to be liberated. I am studying Shastra. I am fortunate. I am very, very fortunate. I have come to Shastra. I am able to read this Shastra. So beautiful, wonderful. I am so fortunate. Count your blessings. Count your blessings. 1 hour I count, Swamini. When I go home, I forget the counting. So it's not like that. You have to count. Next. Matihi means a thought. Thought pattern. Gatihi means their movement. Your thought pattern decides your life movement. Your thought pattern, matihi, your thought pattern, gatihi bhavet means it determines. It determines your life pattern. How is your life? What do you think that is your life? Okay. Now onwards what you have to do? Sit straight and think. High thinking. High thinking. Next shloka. Up to here we saw in the last class. So never talk about fatalism. Enoda fate thala eluthu eppadi irukko appadi nadakkum. My fate, my prarabdha. So people talk, there are fatalistic statements. That's not right. Sloka number 12. Atma sakshi vibhuh purnaha eko muktaschidakriyah asango nispruha shantah brahmat samsaravaniva sakshi vibhuhu atma. The description of atma, the lakshanam, the nature of atma. Ashtavakra is telling, hey Janaka, Atma, the self, capital S you have to put. The self, Atma, Sakshi, is the witnesser. Sakshi means witnesser. Sakshat ikshate, witnesser. When you sleep, your eyes won't witness, your ears cannot listen. But in sleep also there is one witnesser who is enjoying the sleep. So always the witnesser is there. Therefore, you are the Sakshi, the witnesser. Witnesser of what? All presence and absence of thoughts. Presence of thoughts. When the thoughts are arriving, I am the witnesser. When thoughts are going, in between the two thoughts, one thought has gone. Before the next thought is going to come, there is a fraction of seconds, moments, a gap, absence of thoughts. That also I am watching, I am observing. But it is very, very momentary, we cannot notice it. We never notice it. If you notice it, you are the Sakshi. If you are aware of it. Because we are so busy. Like Mount Road lo traffic madri, Pandi Bazar traffic madri, and our mind is like most traffic jam ella ahu ingeda. Idellamo parvala in the Pandi Bazar traffic is okay, but namma mind killa irukra traffic, even Bhagavan also cannot enter there. Amma accident nadakuvanga andha alavukku fast track. Fast track lo poindirka manasu. Okay, that track, when it is thoughts are going, because of fast thinking, I never notice the gap between one thought and another thought. There is a gap between your one breathing and another breathing. There is a gap. Similarly, here also, every thought there is a gap. You are witnessing that absence of thought. You are there or not? There. Therefore, Atma is Sakshi. Who is that witnesser? I am. Then Vibhuhu, next feature, second feature. Vibhuhu means Vividham Bhavati iti Vibhuhu. Atma, who is the witnesser, appears in manifold ways. Vividham Bhavati. Becomes many, manifold ways, multitude forms. Vibhuhu. Then third feature, Purnaha, complete, infinite. It is Purnaha. Purayati sarvam iti Purnaha. It is infinite, Purnam, complete. It is not half any time. Like that Puri, you know, once the Puri, until it becomes full, it moves. Once it becomes full, Purnam. Kodakatte kuda Purnanda. Sweet Purnam, salt Purnam, edhu irukilliyo. Adu madri, Atma is that Purnam. It is outside, inside, everywhere. That is why it is called Purnam. Purnam. Then fourth feature is Ekaha. How many Atmas are there? Only one. Ekaha. There are no many Atmas, just as there are no many electricities. Only one electricity appearing in many bulbs, many fans manifesting. So, this Atma also in the same manner, one manifesting in different bodies, different objects, in the form of Sat and Chit. In the form of Sat, it is in inanimate objects. In the form of Sat and Chit, in animate beings. Therefore, Ekaha Atma alone. Muktaha, ever free. It is not bound by anything. That Atma, Muktaha, not bound by anything, ever free. No one can control it. That Atma, இந்த பக்கம் போகாதே அந்த பக்கம் போகாதேன்னு யாருமே கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடியாது. Muktaha, from all orders, from all laws, orders, it is beyond. Muktaha. Chit akriyaha. Chit means consciousness, chaitanyam, sentient. This Atma, which is the witnesser, which is appearing in multifold forms, which is one and which is free, always is consciousness principle. Chit. Muktas chidakriyaha is there. How you have to split? Muktaha, Chit, Akriyaha. So Muktaha is the fifth principle, fifth nature of Atma, and Chit, consciousness, sentient, Chetanam, Chaitanyam, all these are synonyms. Then seventh feature is Akriyaha. Akriyaha means Kriya Rahitaha, actionless. Atma never do any action. That is the seventh feature. Like Akasha, space never do any action. Vayu does, fire does, water, Prithvi, all bhutas, four bhutas have kriya. But whereas Akasha never do any action. Like that, Akriyaha, Atma is Akriyaha. Then eighth feature, Asangaha. Sangha means association, attachment. Asangaha means associationless. Atma cannot associate with anything. Impossible. Atma cannot associate with anything at any time, at any place. Because it's nature. It cannot associate with anybody. Untouchable. Don't take negative sense. Okay. Asangahana, free in artha. Then nispruhaha. Spruha means desire, craving, longing. Nispruhaha means not having any desire, not having any craving for something. Because it is Purnaha, it doesn't lack anything. Everything is in that Atma only. Where is the question of desire? There was desirelessness. Nispruhaha. 10th one. Shantaha. Tranquil. Peace. Ever tranquil, ever peace, quiet, serene. Shantaha. So these are the 10 features of Atma. Who is that Atma? I am the Atma, my real nature. When I say I am, I have to keep body, mind, complex, panchakoshas separate intellectually. Now that Atma I am, OC, remaining in this RC, RM, body, mind, complex, Aham Atma, all the 10 names you have to say. Atma Ekaha, Aham Sakshi. If Atma place lo, what you have to say? Aham, I am. When we are listening from the teacher, we say Atma is one, Atma is Vibhu, Atma is free, Atma is Asangaha, Atma. But when it comes to me, when I understand, I want to assimilate how I have to say, convert that Atma into Aham. I am. What I have to say? I am the witnesser, Sakshi. I am all-pervading Atma. I am Purnaha. I am one in everybody. I am free. I am consciousness. I am actionless. I am associationless. I am desireless. I am quiet. Every day, morning, when you wake up immediately, this slokam, you have to say, not as Atma, Aham mani chollikanam. This is called Nididhyasanam. Clear? We have to develop that habit. One morning you wake up, immediately say Aham, Sakshi, Vibhu, Ekaha, Chit, Akriyaha, Nisanga, Asangaha. Like that we have to say 10 vandada illa paathukongo. Edi varlanna kuda problem. Then start your work. Start your work. That is the way of internalizing the teaching. Okay. Otherwise what will happen? Brahmat samsaravan iva. Not remembering all these 10 features early morning when you wake up, before going to play the wife role, husband role, whatever role you are going to play, before that you have to remember that I am Atma, Sakshi, Vibhu, Ekaha, Asangaha, but I am going to play wife role temporarily. Put the leg on the floor and start your. But people don't remember all these things. Brahmat, because of delusion, what they do? Samsaravan iva. Even though being an Atma Swarupam all the time, because of delusion, samsaravan iva. I have this samsara problem, that problem, this problem, I have birth, death, old age, disease, I have so many problems. My God, my problems yarkume varakudadu, adu vere. இந்த மாதிரி டிசீஸ் யாருக்கு வரக்கூடாது, இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம் யாருக்கு வர, சத்ரு கூட வரக்கூடாது, அதில் வேறு. ஈவன் டு மை எனிமி ஆல்சோ திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம். என்ன இதெல்லாம் பிரமா, பிரமோ பிரம சம்சாரவான் இவ. நிஜமாக சம்சாரவான் இல்லை. ஏன்னா ஆத்மா இது அசங்கா. இட் கேனாட் ஹாவ் பர்த், டெத், டிசீஸ் எட் எனி டைம், ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் ஆல்சோ. அதுக்கு தான் இவா. You have can never become baddha. You can never become, no, you can never have death, you can never have old age, you can never have, you and you. Whom you are addressing? RC or OC? OC. So when you are listening also, you have to listen from OC standpoint. If I listen from RC RM standpoint, I am samsaravan ivan. Flat and ardha. I am flat. Next shloka. Kutastham bodhamadvaitam Atmanam paribhavaya Abhasoham brahmam muktva Bhavam bahyamatantaram Mathantaram. These 10 features are my features. Having claimed that, no, afterwards, then what? Kutastham, you can take from the second line, Anvaya. Bahyam atha antaram. Bahya means outside, external world. Antaram, inside. Antaram, Bahyam, external and inside, internal. And what do you mean by Bhava? Means here notion and artham. Notion or thought pattern, muktva. Muktva means by dropping. What I have to drop? Bahya bhavam, antara bhavam, muktva. What are my thoughts about external world and internal world? No? My wife, my son, my daughter, my house, my son-in-law, my daughter-in-law, all these are bahya bhavam. I am related to so and so. I am possessed these objects, they all belong to me. These are all, bhava means thought, external thoughts connected to external objects and people. What about antaram, internal? Aham dhanavan, I am rich person, internal, not connected to outside, internal. Aham, I have done lot of punya, I am doing lot of charity. Like this, thinking about oneself. I am the doer, I am the enjoyer, I am enjoying through all these people. Internal thoughts. This is the drama going on morning to till night. What is there? What else? Either I think all the time connected to my kith and kin, people related to me, friends, relatives, all these people outside, bahyam. Antaram, I am so lucky, I got a nice wife, I am so lucky, I got a nice husband, I am so lucky, no. I am so lucky, I got nice house, I am so lucky, I am in Chennai, I am so lucky, I am in class, I hope so. I am so like that, personally thinking inside. Bahyam antaram bhavam muktva vidu. The bahyamu anatmada, antaramu anatmada. You are thinking, thought is mithya. Thought holding on to one object, that is mithya, nama rupa. Priyardo, muktva, dropping them. Why I have to drop? Because they are mithya. How they are mithya? Thought holding on to one object or one person. It is what, according to Shastra, vikaro namadheyam. It is only nama rupa. It doesn't have its own existence. So that is mithya. Therefore, thought is mithya, thought connected people, objects are all mithya, either outside or inside also. Therefore, muktva, having dropped. Having dropped, not totally removing the thoughts. All these thoughts are unavoidable. Even though they come, they arrive, but they are not true. I am seeing that cinema, serial. Is it true? Similarly, this is also like that. Antaram, Bahyam, not true. As long as mind is there, it is the nature of the mind to think. It thinks. Let it think. But they are all mithya. What about mind? Mithya. Thoughts? Mithya. Connected objects? Mithya. False. False mithya means what? Vyavaharika satyam. Husband kitte poi, you are false. Don't say false. Vyavaharika satyam. They are not paramarthika satyam. That is called muktva artham here. Understand, they are all vyavaharika satyam, relative reality. They are not absolute reality. Entertaining this thought is called freedom from samsara. That is called here muktva. Muktva anna, go away from all this. You can never go as long as you are in the body. Therefore, continue within that and be free by thinking, understanding. So, how you have to think? Dropping this Brahma, Brahmam Muktva, Abhasaha Aham, Brahmam Muktva. They're all, he says, what I said, Mithya. Ashtavakra says, Abhasaha. They're all only Abhasa, Chidabhasa, Ahankara. Individual self alone. They are all only reflecting the finite Jivatma, which is limited. See, Aham, Atma and body-mind complex mixture only Ahankara. When I take Ahankara only, I am the body, I am the so-and-so, I am related to so-and-so. Bahyam Antaram. So this Ahankara is Satyam or Mithya? It is Mithya. Therefore, Aham, Ahankara, Aham, I am Atma, Ekaha, Vibhu, Asangaha, Akriyaha, Chit. Previous sloka. 10 commandments. Okay. I am that. I am reflecting in this body-mind complex. Therefore, Ahankara is taken place. Ahankara, Aham, that is Ahankara, I am, I should not take. When I am playing a drama role, that role I am not. Now you are all playing what role? Sishya role. Who are you really? Atma. Now Atma playing what role? Sishya role. Atma, one Atma is sitting in the chair, one Atma sitting on the floor, one Atma writing notes, one Atma listening only, one Atma laughing, one Atma fully laughing, one Atma is not laughing. In the body form, isn't it? So therefore, Ahankara, Aham is a Brahma. That Brahma, Muktva. Bahyam, Antaram, Ahankara Aham iti Brahmam Muktva. After dropping what to do, Swamini? Kutastham Aham. I am Kutastham. Unchangeable, immovable. Kutastham, it is very, very steady, immutable, they say. Kutavat tishtati iti Kutastha. No one can shake it, no one can move it. That is Kutastham Aham iti. Bodham Advaitam Atmanam Paribhavaya. May you meditate. May you think. Paribhavaya. May you think all the time. Paritaha, all the time. Everywhere. Pashyan Shrunvan Sprushan Jigran Ashnan Gachan Swapan Swashan Pralapan Visrajan Grindhan Unmishan Nimishan Enna Titran Nenchakadango. Aham Kutasthaha, Aham Bodhaha, Aham Advaitaha. Like that I have to think. Atmanam Paribhavaya. Atma, I, the self, am Kutasthaha. From there, 10th, here you can take 11. போதம் அத்வைதம் ஆத்மானம் பரிபாவய. இப்படிப்பட்ட ஆத்மாவை சிந்தனை பண்ணுன்னு சொல்கிறார். The 10 has given the futures and remembering that futures all the time. கூட்டஸ்தம் அகமிதி, போதம் அகமிதி, அத்வைதம், அத்வைதம்னா செகண்ட்லெஸ். அங்கே ஏகாக ப்ரீவியஸ் ஸ்லோகா, ஹியர் அத்வைதம், द्वैत रहितम, non-dual. I am. Think like that all the time. Don't think you are an ordinary human being. I am a spiritual being within the incidental body-mind complex. Until now, what am I saying? I am a human being staying in Chennai, T Nagar, I am staying like that. We are thinking. That's wrong, actually. I am not a human being. That I have Atma inside, but I have to change totally. I am a spiritual being, Atma, within this incidental body-mind complex. I am the spiritual being, consciousness principle in the body-mind complex. What type of body-mind complex? Incidental, temporary body-mind complexes. Therefore, bodies are coming within me, bodies are going. Atma is not within. Atma is within. Atma is in everybody. No, that is not right statement. The Atma is in every body, outside the body, inside the body. Change the pattern and the pot. Okay. Just as the space is within the pot, outside the pot. Like that. I have to say myself. Next shloka. So come out of Brahma. Now understand, hey Janaka, this is Brahma only. People are relating all the time. If you are in Brahma, what will happen? Sorrow. Bhranti, delusion leads to sorrow. Lifelong misery. Therefore, you want to come out of misery, sorrow, and iota of sorrow also. If you want to come out, come on, say to yourself, I am Ekaha, Atma, Asanga, Asangaha, Nishkriyaha. Ella cholli palahanu. When you look at the mirror, you have to say all these things. I am not that body. I am not that form. I am everywhere. I have to say. This is called internalization. This is called Jnana Phalam. Until this comes, my sorrow will not go away. Next shloka. Shloka number 14. Dehabhimana pashena chiram baddhosi putrakam bodhoham jnana khadgena tannikritya sukhi bhava. Ashtavakra blessing Janaka Maharaja, Sukhi Bhava, may you be happy. How can you be happy? If you follow this method, you will be happy. Sukhi Bhava. Katham tan nikritya. Tat nikritya means having cut. Tat ajnanam. Deha abhimanam, first line. Deha abhimana pashena. You are bound by Deha abhimana. Pashena chiram baddhaha. You are bound. Baddhaha means bound. You are bound by what? Deha abhimana. Deha abhimana means identification with the body. Abhimana means attachment, raga. I am, I love my body. I love so much. Always pall care, hair care, nail care, all care, no. So much attachment with the body. No? That ahankara, mamakara comes because of abhimana, attached to my body and attached to those people who are all doing favor to me, to this body. This is called abhimana. So, deha abhimana. You have to take mana abhimana also in that, including body, mind, complex abhimana, body identification is like a rope, pashena, tritiya, vibhakti. Pashena means with that rope. What rope? Deha abhimana rope. Chiram baddhaha, you are bound from a long time, not now, not in this life. From janmas, you are bound by that, no? Chiram baddhaha asi, you are. He putraka, oh my dear son, Sishya is as good as a son. So, putraka, Ashtavakra addressing Janaka Maharaja as a putra. So, that much vasalyam, prema is there on that Sishya. Guru is telling, well-wisher, putraka, oh my dear son, child. Now what you have to do? You are bound by this deha abhimana rope, pashyam. What you have to do? Tan nikritya jnana khadgena. You have to cut. Krint dhatu, to cut. Tat means that deha abhimanam. Tad nikritya means you have to cut. Nisseshena, totally. I have cut the whole rope, Swamini, still one fiber is clinging. Just like you tie balloon and 100 threads and you are leaving the balloon. What will happen? You are cutting all 99 threads, connections, and one thread is there. But it cannot move, that balloon is still tied. Still it is tied only. Even one thread also, string also, it controls the balloon. It controls the movement of the balloon. Yes? Similarly, even sannyasi also, he cuts all that. No mother, no father relation, no husband relation, no wife relation, children relation, no chittappa, periyappa relations, ellame vittachu, ashram matra or string hooking. Who will take care of my ashram? Who will take care of my ashram? That means what? That three string. Pudichundirukka. Abhimanam. That's a sarvasanga parityahana manasukulla edi patti patru irukakoodathu. Ennudayadu angadhu irukakoodathu. Appadi irukkanum. Irundhalum kuda idu ennudayadu illai anu bhavana irukkanum. Puriyadha? Andha bhavana da venum ipo. He says what? Bhavana is very important. Okay. Tat nikritya, dehabhimanam rikritya, through what you can do that now? How can you cut? Jnana khadgena. Through the sword, khadgamanna sword. What type of sword? Ordinary sword alla won't work here. Jnana khadgam, through knowledge. What knowledge? Aham brahmasmi jnanena, mahavakya jnanena. Bodhaha aham. What is that jnanam? Aham atma chaitanyam. With that knowledge, aham brahma asmi. Bodhaha aham. Aham chaitanyam, consciousness existent principle. With this knowledge, you cut that, snap that deha abhimana. Then what? Sukhi bhava. If you don't cut, Bhava Cholavenda Dukhi. How long? Dukhi. Needava Cholinde Bolamana. How Dukha goes now? It won't go like that. Nanya Pantha Ayanaya Vidyate. There is no other way out from this samsara chakram. Next shloka. With the sword of knowledge you destroy this deha abhimana rope. Cut it. Nissango nishkriyo sitvam swaprakasho niranjanah ayameva hi te bandhah samadhimanutishthasi. Dropping abhimana is moksha, holding abhimana is samsara. That's all. Unknown Atma is samsara karanam. Known Atma is moksha karanam. Unknown Atma. I do not know Atma nahu samsara. Jara, maranam, vyadhi, ella varum. I am Atma if I say I am free from all. Vyadhi, Jara, Marana all belong to body. I am not body. Body is temporary. It is flesh, blood, bones. But this Abhimana is so powerful because of Ajnanam, Avidya. So come out of that Brahma, Bhranti, Ajnanam, which is the cause of your sorrow, limitation, insecurity. Therefore he says, Nissangaha, Nishkriyaha, Asi. Originally you are actionless. Don't think I am doing. I am doing. Never think like that. Body is doing. Body-mind complex, it is playing its role. It has its own rules and regulations. It has to be within its limits. Dharma, dharmic way, it is functioning according to Ishvara's law and order. It is functioning. It is an instrument. How can you be the instrument? You are the user of instrument. You cannot become the instrument. You are the user of the instrument, body-mind complex. Therefore, you are originally Nissangaha. In spite of that, you are in the body. Just as the space within the pot is attached to the pot, I am bound by this pot. This pot is destroying me, spoiling me. Space can cry like that. Today this hall is painted, yellow paint, black paint, that space is worrying. See, because of black paint I have also become black. Because of yellow paint I have also become yellow. Because of white paint I have become white. The space is touched by yellow, black color or white color. If it has touched by that, we could not enter. We cannot enter this room. Thank God the space is as it is. Last Saturday eppadi irukko appadiye irukku. Konjam vaasana varudhe Swamini. And the vaasana vandu not belong to space. And the December paint vaasana belong to the air. Puriyadho? Therefore it is never belong to the space. You are happily sitting in the space, no problem. Similarly, this Atma, even though it is in this body which is skeleton, flesh, blood, bones, everything there, Nissangaha, Kuridi, the koppara. The koppara gnabagam vechukkanum. Koppara eppadi adukku shellukulla irundhe touch ஆகாமல் இருக்குமோ ட்ரை ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் அதுதான் வைராக்கியம். அந்த தனியாக வரணும், அதுக்கு வைராக்கியம் வரணும். அது வந்த அப்புறம் இந்த டிட்டாச்சு பேஷன் டு டிஸ்பேஷன். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ரைப் ஆக முன்னாடி, ட்ரை ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ரொம்ப பேஷன், அப்படி ஷெல்லுக்கு ஒட்டின்னு இருக்கும். அப்படியே ஒன்ஸ் இட் இஸ் டிட்டாச்டு ஃப்ரம் தட் பேஷன், இட் இஸ் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் டிஸ்பேஷன், வைராக்கியம், டிட்டாச்மெண்ட், it is detached from that. Within that, detached. Like that, I am what? Na koppara. Nissangaha. Nishkriyaha. Same thing what he said, previous sloka, he says, you are actionless, asi. Nishkriyaha asi. You are actionless, you are associationless. எல்லா அசோசியேஷன் எங்கே பார்த்தாலும் வாக்கர் அசோசியேஷன், லாஃபிங் அசோசியேஷன், எல்லா ஃப்ளாட்ஸில் அசோசியேஷன், எல்லாமே எங்கே பார்த்தாலும் அசோசியேஷன்ஸ் தான். ஸோ மெனி அசோசியேஷன், எல்லா ஆஃபீஸிலும் ஒரு அசோசியேஷனு, பார்ட்டி அசோசியேஷன், ஆக்டர்ஸ் அசோசியேஷன், ஃபேன்ஸ் அசோசியேஷன், எல்லா அசோசியேஷன். ஹூ இஸ் அசோசியேஷன் லெஸ்ஸன்? ஒரே ஒன்று தான், ஆத்மா. உலகத்தில் ஒரே ஒன்று தான், ஆத்மா மட்டுமே தான் அசோசியேஷன் லெஸ். கொஞ்சம் அசோசியேஷன் கொடுக்கலாமா ஆத்மா கண்ண? முடியாது. பிகாஸ் ஆர்டர் ஆஃப் ரியாலிட்டி, higher order, lower order cannot have association. There is no second thing, absolute thing to have association. Untigattai, na. So it is free always. Nissangaha, nishkriyaha. That is, you see, important here. Previously Atma nu chonnar. Atma, nishkriyaha, nissangaha. Now what he says, that Atma, what I said in this 10th shloka, 11th, 12th shloka, that asi, you are, tattvamasi. Ida mahavakyam. Nishkriyaha atma tat tvamasi, you are. Tvam asi, paranga mahavakyam. Tvamasi. Not only that, swaprakashaha. Now you write the list. What are all futures are given in Atma, and of that futures daily you read. Aha, about me only Ashtavakra talking and சொல்லலாம். நிஷ்கிரியா, நிசங்கா, அங்கேயும் அசங்கான்னு சொன்னார், இங்கேயும் நிசங்கா. Then ஸ்வப்ரகாஷா, செல்ஃப் எஃபல்ஜென்ட், செல்ஃப் எவிடென்ட். I need not be proved by anything. My existence need not be proved by anything in this world. Swaprakasha, aprameya swaprakasha, manovacha magochara. நன்னா இருக்க, தீர்க்கமாக பாடினான்னா இது புரிஞ்சுக்கணும்ப்பா. ஸ்வப்ரகாஷா ஸ்வயம் பிரகாஷத்தை இத்தின்னு அர்த்தம். ஹூ இஸ் தட் ஸ்வப்ரகாஷா? அகம். அப்படியப்போ சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும். நிரஞ்சனஹ, blemishless. I am pure. Some people talk ஆத்ம சுத்தி பண்ணுறான், ஆத்ம சுத்தி பண்ணுறான். They are purifying the people, no? Atma is niranjanaha, ever pure. Anjanavanna dirt, malam, dirt. Niranjana means free from any dirt, free from any impurity. Dirt, don't take real dirt. Free from raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsaryadi, vyadhi, jara, marana. All these malams, anjanams are not there. Therefore niranjanaha. Ayamevahite bandhaha. Now this is Atma Swarupam. What is real bandha? Thinking I am a sadhaka, I am a sadhaka, I am doing meditation, samadhi ki pore ippo. See, samadhim tishtasi, anutishtasi. If you are, is very, very powerful statement. Parungo. Even nididhyasanam pandrathu kuda ukkarandi samadhi abhyasa roopa nididhyasanam also proves that you are thinking still you are a sadhaka. I am a sadhaka. So samadhim anutishtasi ayameva hi te bandhaha. That itself is your bondage. Who is doing samadhi abhyasa? You are ever free. Why you have to do samadhi abhyasa? Ashtanga yoga sadhana panni thirivi dharanam pannindirka swamini, meditation pannindirka. Ippudha konjam samadhi abhyasam varudanna. Yarkappa. That means still you want to say. That's why in one of my general talks, Guru Puja or Shivaratri talk, I gave the talk seeker to seer. Never think all the time I am a seeker, I am a sadhaka. That is another, you are proving yourself, you are ajnani. I am a sadhaka. Drop that word also. How long you hold on to sadhaka? 15 வருஷமா படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கேன், நான் சாதனை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா என்ன சாதனம், எதுக்காக என்ன புரியலன்னு அர்த்தம். samadhim anutishthasi, you are practicing samadhi abhyasa rupa nididhyasanam or something else. Appadine pannamanu irukka venda. That itself shows you are bound. That you are bound. Still you are not able to accept, I am not a seeker, I am a seer. I am the drashta, not drishyam. I am not the practitioner. So you have to go beyond that practice. Lifelong people love to be in practice. Okay? People love to practice. Mano, buddhi, hankara, chitta, ninaham. Daily Nirvana Shatkom padikire Swamini. Daily padikirana. Epon. Samadhilo ukarandi dhyanam pandum bodu padikire. Innu dhyanam jata meditator. You are invoking the meditator. I am a meditator. You are invoking. Ahankara again. Dhyata you are invoking. Dhyayam Atma aham aham aham. Dhyata aham. I am meditating upon what? If you advanced meditation, no. I am meditating upon Atma. Varungo. I am making myself as fool. No? I myself make myself as fool. I am meditating upon Atma. Nangalada solrom. Atma mele meditate pannan munna beginning solrom. Apra enna ada meditator is different from Atma. How can a meditator meditate upon Atma? That means meditator is different from Atma. Engyo tagarar. Therefore, all these are only for preliminary steps. Therefore, Nididhyasanam is not for Uttama Adhikari. Ashtavakra talking to a Uttama Adhikari. Madhya Madhyama Adhikari is only Nididhyasana Abhyasa also. Swamini Angemo 6th chapter Nididhyasana Pandungo children. Ingyo Panda Venda children. Oru Nalik ni Vedano. Nididhyasana Pandu and a vid. Adi kuda teva illai enar. People come and ask Swamini, how many hours you do meditation on cake? Achipuchya irundavanu. Ade kelvi kuda kekarde kuda. How many hours you do puja? How many hours you do meditation? They like ask me like that. What to say? I do every day 1 hour and solli anupavendida. Enna pandradhu? Dhyanam pannala nu sonna and Swami amma yannuve panna matta. Onnume pandradilla. Puja kediyadu, anushthanam kediyadu, onnume illa. Ivar enna solrar Ashtavakraru? Ayam eva hi bandhaha. That alone is a bondage still. Next shloka we will read. Tvaya vyaptamidam vishvam Tvayi protam yatharthataha Shuddha buddha swarupastvam Magamakshudra chintatam. Every verse is a Mahavakyam. Never have Magamaha. Never think. Shudra chintatam. Never look down upon yourself. Never think in a low with low image. Magama. You are Tvaya Vyaptamidam Vishwam. The entire universe is pervaded by you. You are there in everything intertwined. Protam. Intertwined, inhering. You are pure Shuddhaha, Buddhaha. You are of the nature of knowledge. And you are Buddha Swarupaha. You are of the nature of pure knowledge. Therefore, don't think it's a low image. More the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्।